Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, I'm really sorry. So we were dealing with that of the screw thread terminology. So we were discussing
Voice not clear, ma'am.
now also. Hello, am I audible?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Now am I audible? Hello?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
So am I audible right now? Hello? Am I audible now? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
ma'am.
okay. So we were dealing with related to the screw thread terminologies of right or the left hand threads. So if the thread is formed away from the observer and it is moving in the clockwise, and you get the right hand thread, or else you get the left hand thread if the thread is moving away from the observer. So if the thread is moving away from the observer, it is a right hand thread, and if the thread is moving towards the observer, it is the left hand thread. So in that you will be having an left direction thread. So we were okay, even this were been done. So we were discussing related to the pitch and the lead. So pitch of the thread is the distance measured parallel to the axis of the thread between corresponding points on adjacent thread formed in the same axial plane and on the same side of the axis. Okay, so this is the pitch line. So this is the pitch line. Okay, so and this pitch line from the axis which is parallel to the coaxial of the thread to that of the crest truncated or the root truncated will provide you exactly the depth of the thread. So the radial distance here above the pitch from the coaxial to that of the crest is called as the addendum, and the radial distance what you achieve from the pitch line or the axis of the thread to that of the part of the root which has been truncated. So this distance will provide us the dedendum. So addition of this addendum and dedendum together will provide you the depth of the thread in which it is being grooved. So this is again associated with the pitch line. So next is lead. So lead is nothing but the axial distance moved on the threaded part. Suppose if you have a nut on a thread, so for one rotation of the nut, what is the distance being traveled on the given thread? So that is being defined by the word lead. So next, thread per inch you should know. So thread per inch is nothing but the reciprocal of the pitch in inches. So we have defined what you mean by the pitch. So exact the reverse of it will be defined for the thread. So you can just tell it is a reciprocal of the pitch in inches. And then the pitch diameter. It is a theoretical diameter between the major and the minor diameter of the screw thread. So pitch diameter cannot be measured practically. So it will be the theoretical pitch diameter what we measure, and this will be exactly in between the major diameter and the median diameter. So if you take the average of mean value of the major diameter and the mean value of the minor diameter, so you will get the value exactly in between the crest at the top to that